Okay, so we are headed to lunch. Today is race day. Well, actually, it's not race day, it's practice day. We're going to go get some lunch first, and then we're going to come back and load the car, but we got everything done. Car's ready to go. Actually, I probably need to go put the car on the charger, or check, because it'd suck to have a dead battery at the racetrack. So yeah, we're going to go do that. We're going to go get some lunch, and then we're going to head back here and get the car loaded and probably just chill out to about 4:30 because we're supposed to be up there around 5ish. So yeah. So we just got lunch. It was wonderful. My wife was nice enough to buy my lunch for me for my birthday. So now I gotta go deposit some money off at the bank because I'm broke. So yeah.
Alright, so it is Thursday and we are at the track. We're at Carolina right now. We are the first ones here out of the group that are practicing today. They are unloading the car. We just pulled in, so hopefully we can get some good laps in and shake down the car and see how things go.
so we are back home, obviously, because home. No, stop.
No, ma'am.
Our cat scratches our recliner, so that's what that was. Anyways, so I think practice went well. I'm trying to get you in frame as well. Practice went well, I thought. We did have a hiccup. We actually lost a water pump gasket, but we were able to get it fixed. Turns out the bolts weren't tied on it, on the motor. So we got that fixed, tightened up the bolts, everything was good, didn't have any problems, didn't have any overheating issues, and actually didn't have any handling problems, which thank God. We didn't lose any oil pressure in the car. It was pretty much handling pretty well. So the motor did great, I thought.
Yeah, it looked really good out there. I mean, he looked really smooth. He looked like he was getting consistently better, so I mean, can't complain.
Yeah, so we're really happy with that. We definitely ended the night on a good note, but as you can see, I'm filthy, so I need to go take a shower, which I'm probably going to coat the bottom of the shower in like red clay.
That's okay.
So I did play with, what you guys are going to see now is I did play with I'm planning on it, GoPro footage and the outside of the car footage. I'm going to play with that in editing. So if you didn't see the two videos running at the same time, that would be why, because it just didn't work. If you do see it, tell me what you think. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. It might be something we play with in the future. So yeah, other than that, I think it was a pretty good night. This Saturday, in 2 days, will be my birthday, and we will be down at Lakeshore. So hopefully we might see some of you guys there. If you're not doing anything, come up, say hey to us. We always enjoy that. So anyways, we're going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.